Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. You are probably here because you're just like me. You try to connect your lavalier to your iPhone 14 Pro to create some content and accidentally clicked on the headphones button instead of the other button, and you don't know how to undo that. So this is exactly how you're going to undo that and select the correct option. I'm going to show you how I made the mistake first. Connect my lavalier to this, and then I get this message. Are you connecting a pair of headphones? Typically you would, right? And all of a sudden, when you're using your lavalier, it's not picking up anything. So what you're going to do is unplug it. You're going to go into the settings and look for the sounds and haptics, and then go all the way down to the headphone safety option. Click on the lightning adapters, and then you're going to have this option that says forget all adapters. So click on that, and it says, are you sure you want to forget all these adapters? Forget all of them. There you go. You can swipe out of there and reconnect your lavalier. And then you'll get that message again. Are you connecting a pair of headphones? Now I learned my lesson. Nope. Other device. I hope that helps. Have fun creating.